Now let me introduce you with the new project. It's a task scheduler. You can track all of your activity that's on queue. Let's say here are 4 different columns: backlog, progress, complete, and on hold. And each column or each component consists of list of items that has to be done. So to show you or to demonstrate you, let me first show you with the content backlog. Let's say there you want to add item that you want to do in future. So let's say if you want to do something like creating a blog post, and you can save item, so this item get stored on this backlog component, right? I had already added some content that's similar to this, like creating blog post here and also in complete section, creating a blog post here. Let me delete it. If you want to remove any content, just erase it and click on the any areas outside the component. Then anything that was here in the list gets removed or popped out. And also the next thing, that fascinating thing that I want to introduce here, is whenever you reload or change anything, if you try to change the browser, the content gets stored on its current state, and this is implemented with the help of local storage available. And the next thing, that you have not seen yet, let's say if my backlog content creating blog post is now initiated, I can drag and drop to the progress section. Similarly, if it gets completed, I can drag and drop to the complete state. Here the drag and drop functionality has been beautifully applied, and although this application looks a bit simple, but the level of JavaScript that has been implemented is of intermediate one. And if I also can add item, I have already showed you. Yeah, that was pretty much about this task scheduler, or whatever you say. The project built with pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. All the source code is linked in the description box if you want to check it down. Thank you.